Hello children, good afternoon. See Dashmish Public School Standard 1 Subject English. Today we are going to see Unit 6 Lesson number 1 Alphabet Song. So children, open your page number 51. Children, tell me which letter are these? Yes, these are small letters. Today we are going to learn a song on alphabet from A to Z. Song on 26 letters. Children, open your page number 51, lesson number 1, alphabet song. First I will do the reading. All of you keep your finger below word. Listen, repeat, read and sing. A ate an apple. B bounced a ball. C cut a carrot. And D dressed a doll. Children, now see. A ate an apple. B bounced the ball. C ball is bouncing. C cut a carrot. And D dressed a doll. See, D is dressing doll. Now let us see the next stanza. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. Now children, see here. E eats eggs and F falls flat. See, you can see F is falling down. G grow grapes. H hangs a hat. See how H is hanging a hat. Now let us see next. I is on an island. J jumps and jogs. K keeps kittens and L lifts logs. Now children, see here. I is on an island. Island means what? A piece of land surrounded by water. It has water on its all sides. So now I is standing where? On island. J jumps and jogs. See children how J is jumping happily. K keeps kittens. Children, you can see two kittens are there on and near the K. L lifts logs. See children how L is lifting log. Logs means what? A big piece of wood. Now let us see next. M makes mistakes. N needs a nurse. O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly. R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly. T touched his toes. Now children, see the lines. M makes the mistake. N needs a nurse. O obeys order and P patches a purse. And P is patching the purse. Means P is repairing the purse. Q queued up quickly. Q stood in queue very quickly. R rolled and rose. Rose means R stood up. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. Children, you can see how T is touching his toes. U uses an umbrella. V has a violet van. W washes windows whenever he can. X hides in boxes. Y says yummy and you. Z says zigzag zoom. Hooray! We are through. Children, now let us see lines. U uses umbrella. See, you can see U is having umbrella. V has a violet van. W washes window. See how W is washing window. X hides in the boxes. X hides in these boxes. Y says yummy and U. Z says zigzag zoom. See children, you can see down Z zigzag lines are there. That is zigzag zoom. Hooray! We are through. So the all letters are saying we are through. Now let us sing song. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot, and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs, and F falls flat. G grows grapes, and H hangs a hat. I is on island, J jumps and jogs, K keeps kittens, and L lifts logs. M makes mistakes, N needs a nurse, O obeys orders, and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose, S spoke slowly, and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella, V has a violet van, W washes windows whenever he can, X hides in boxes, Y says yummy and U, Z says zigzag zoom. Hooray! We are through. Now let us learn how to make meaningful phrases or sentences with the same given letter. Let us see some example. U uses umbrella. Children, you can see a word uses an umbrella starts with U. With V, now which words are made? Violet, van. W washes windows. Y yummy, U. Z zig zag zoom. See, all three words are with Z. So children, you understood how to make a meaningful sentence or phrases with the given letters. With the letter which is given, same letter you are going to use to make the words. Now let us learn next letter and before letters. Now children, see the picture properly and tell me which is the next letter of D. Yes, E. Very good. Now tell me the next letter of P. Q. Good. Now tell me the before letter of I. Yes, H. Now tell me the before letter of Y. X. I hope student you have understood very well the poem and how to find out the next letter, before letters and the phrases. Thank you.